here we have this MIDI 125D. Gonna just put the password in. Anyone know the password by heart? No? Neither do I. Never can remember. 4706. 4 7 0 6, and then you just go through the different things, different settings: high, 2.5, low, 0.8. That's the alarms, yeah. Differential, flood limit 10. They're showing you how many times the pump's been activated. There isn't a pump 2, it's only one pump here. Alarm count. Wow, that alarm's gone off a lot of times. Power interrupted twice. No. Excessive start. No. Service indicator. No. Okay, let's go through this quickly. Alright, saving. So here we have the unit. You may be familiar with it. So we have our cold fill tank here. Inside there's a strainer at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see it. Should be a strainer here. We've got a braided hose, our pump, so supply coming in and then pumps out. Our float switch, pressure transducer, check valve, sorry, non-return valve, and we've got a combined drain off and isolation. Yeah, that's what we have on this unit here.